Hi there, welcome back to English Digital. Today we're going to go through a SEO, technical SEO tool. Actually, this is a Chrome extension. It's available on Chrome. I have given the link in the description. You can go and check it out. And this tool has a lot of useful features because it gives you instantly, you can analyze the technical defaults in SEO on a website. When you get a website to really analyze for SEO. It can be your own website, it can be a client website. So it's awesome and very useful for all agencies, especially, and freelance workers. So the link to the Chrome extension is given in the description. You can pick that and join, or you can just type SEO Meta in one click on your Google search and you'll land on this particular page. Okay, so I have already installed this extension in my Google Chrome. As you can see here, this extension here. So I'm going to show you as to how you can use this extension to quickly get an overview of your technical SEO analysis. Okay, so I've chosen a website here. This is one of my personal blogs as well. So let us quickly run through the SEO parameters of a couple of pages and understand how useful this tool is. Okay, so I'm going to just click this SEO Meta in one click. Once I click that, then it gives you a basic summary. For example, the title is good. So on this page, the meta description is missing. Okay, so I need to put the meta description. So that's a learning for me. So I will put the meta description to correct that, because meta description is very, very important for Google search, for sites to appear in a Google search with a small summary of what the site is all about. So keywords also missing. So the vital keyword related to this website industry I should be including, right? So we get so you just analyze the URL. The canonical is good. The robot text looks good. So the anchor is also missing. So the author is missing. So if you want to, you can click this question mark and get an idea as to why it should be there and why it's, the reason. It gives you the reasons why it's useful to have these inclusions. Okay. So I can see here, if you click the question mark here, the element can be used to identify the author of a page or a blog. So that's very straightforward. And you can see the number of H1 tags are missing. So that is very bad. So 0 H1 on this page. So at least I need to have 1 H1 tag. So that's important. H2, there are 6. And see the images, there are 12 on this page. So here I'm just analyzing this page. Okay, it's not the entire website, it's a page. And links are 110. That's good. Okay. Okay, if I click this, click to display the sitemap. Yes, so sitemap is also good. It's there. So it's all in one. The entire technical analysis can be done just with one click on this Chrome extension, right? A quick snapshot. It's very, very useful. You don't have to go through complex, tools and stuff like Screaming Frog is very complex, right? You don't have to go through such tools. It gives you a very, very, quick summary and accurate summary of what your website is as of now. So if you just run through, you can check the headers here. If you click the header option on top on this website, see there is no H1, so there should be a H1, but there are a H2. Probably the blog titles here are H2. So actually, the blog title should be H1 within the blog. We'll check a blog as well as to how the Chrome extension has analyzed that blog. Okay, so here, so we need to correct this error. So if images, let's check if there are any alt images missing here, alt text missing. So there are 12 images and 4 without alt text. Okay, without title as well. So we can include those. So when you say without, you can see here, these are without titles. So you go to the images and I can put in the titles. Okay, so for that, I will do another tutorial as to how you need to, include the titles and the alt text for the images. So these are the titles missing. I think all the images here have the titles missing, but some of them have the alt text. So if we take this image here, it does not have alt text and a title, so that needs to go in as well. Those are probably the ones here. If you can see the side here, the ebooks, which the banners, which are for the ebooks. So then looking at the links. On this page, there are 110 links, unique and without title again. So this is very important. So you can use this, and it gives you the URL as well, which does not have a title. Okay, so probably since these are snippets from the main blog, the title, it picks it up as a title missing, but I don't think that's a real mistake because the actual blog will have the title. We'll look at the blog as well individually. So looking at that, looking at the socials, open graph, okay, that looks good. So when there's an error, normally you get something in red. You see something in red like this. So those are the alerts you need to look for when there are any particular type of errors, okay? And moving on further, let us look at the other tools. These are other tools available, I mean, which you can use. But here we are only concerned with the SEO Meta one-click Chrome extension. And yeah, so you get a good summary of your web page. Now we looked at this web page, so let us just quickly run into actual blog and see as to what this page stands in terms of SEO. Okay, so let's click this icon again. So here the title is there. You get a meta description. Keywords missing, so here you can click the question and check. A meta tag provides search engines with a list of keywords relevant to a page. And for the search engines, okay, it's not very important to put keywords in the meta tag, but if you do, it's good. But Google algorithms, work differently now. They're giving less importance to the meta tags, available on this, on the tagging option. And the canonical is in place. So here there's a H1, but there is no H2. So probably I need to at least get one H2, make one of these titles H2, so it falls in line with the SEO requirements. So image is 15. So all of the others look good. So let us look at the headers here. So H1 is there. You see there are no H2. So I need to get one. I need to make at least one. So there's a red mark here, at least one. Title H2, probably this one. So I can do that. And once I revise it, this will change into H1, H2. So you need to have the H1, H2s, H3s in the canonical order. So the SEO, so the Google bots can crawl and understand what your website stands for, properly. Looking at the images, so without alt text there are 15, but without alt text there are 4. So let us see here, there's alt text, alt text. These are the titles missing, which needs to, get in the titles. And here you get all the ebooks. Those are the ones in the side here. You see, here, these ones. So once I get the alt text onto this, so that's error should go out. Okay, so we'll have to get that done. So we'll get that done soon. Then looking at the links. So in this page, there are 76 links and 29 without title. So the links also, guys, we need to have, a title which you can place when you're placing a link. WordPress gives the option of putting the title. So we can put in the title, which very important for the crawler to understand what this link is all about. Okay, so all the other areas look good. Open Graph is related to the Facebook, social media, especially. This tool only analyzes the Facebook aspect. So the image is here, Open Graph image, and that's good. So when I copy paste this link and put it on a Facebook or let's say LinkedIn, automatically the thumbnail, this image will appear as a thumbnail with a small description which I given for the meta. So that's what this Open Graph is all about. Okay, and yeah, so this page looks good. Just a few, changes which I need to make. So the whole understanding of this is as to how you can use this tool to really have a quick snapshot, accurate technical analysis of your web pages. Okay, it takes time, of course. You should analyze every web page individually and see as to what's missing, and you need to correct those errors so that your web page meets all the webmaster guidelines and it's up there right in the search results. Well, it will not go right up there in number one. Once you make all these changes, you need to keep on optimizing your website with good content, good valuable blog content based on your niche. So you need to do a keyword research and use those keywords to write comprehensive, lengthy blogs and to publish them as well, so regularly to come on top on the rankings. So keep that in mind. So this technical analysis is just important for you to get your website in the right eyes of Google, okay, meeting all the web master guidelines. So follow those guidelines, and definitely your website with time will start to rank better, will have a better scope in the search result rankings. Okay, so that's it from me as of now for this tutorial on using the SEO one meta click, this tool here. Sorry, SEO Meta in one click, this Chrome extension tool. So the link that I mentioned is in the description. I give this link, so you can just click and come here and install this extension. And if you like this video, kindly do subscribe to my channel, and kindly do share this video with your friends who are in the SEO field, who might find this tool useful. And so if you need any more videos which you would like to learn, any tools, let me know. I will create the video for you. And so that's it from me as of now. So have a nice day. Thank you very much. So keep in touch. Bye-bye.